Hey loves, it's Paula coming to you guys with a voiceover. Now I'm so sorry, just like my previous vlog, the sound got messed up as well in this vlog, and that's why we're doing a voiceover today. Anyways, welcome to another vlog. As you can see, we started off on a hungry nut and we had gone to this restaurant in Kololo. They only sell local food, and when I say you, this place looked so exotic. The food tasted so amazing. If you're Ugandan, prepare to pick your jaw off the ground, because when was the last time you ate some luombo? Huh?
You're my darling, 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 darling. You're making my world of darkness turn into day. The thought of you is the reason why I hold my head up. The thought of you is the light in my life. The thought of you.
When I tell you, this is the food that makes your girls home.
Is it already is the only thing that makes me better. The thought of you is what keeps me alive. The thought of you is the reason why I hold my head up. The thought of you is the light in my life. The thought of you is the only thing that makes me, is the reason why I hold my head up.
Guys, I was looking in the fridge to get something for my girl to eat because we didn't have power and it was heavily pouring. When I tell you this day, we were struggling. Did not order anything on Jumia because it was heavily pouring, and yeah, so but she has stopped. I ordered something for the girls. They're now eating. Actually, I thought I was gonna stay home the whole time, but because she has stopped, I feel like I should just get myself out of this place a bit and change the environment. Steffi's is just mommy this, then Aniva auntie this. So I just like most time when I want to concentrate, I need to be like out of the house. What is it, Aniva? Oh my god. This is what I was saying. This is why I need to get out of here now. I'm gonna go onto Instagram now and see why Instagram texts me. So my food is here and you guys.
With you I feel like a fighter. Nothing can make me back down. With you I fly so much higher. Yeah. I'm never stuck on the ground. You save me from falling, 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 falling. You're taking me up and up and up and away.
My baby, look at my baby. She can't wait. Oh goodness. I'm just gonna drop off Steffi to the play studio. What are you painting, Mama?
Is it already Monday?